Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get rid of green screen on footage. So I got this free green screen footage here offline. It's just a woman moving around or something. I don't know, I just searched up free green screen footage. So I'm going to go ahead and drag it into Premiere Pro. This is from my previous tutorial. Delete that, so I'm going to drag it into here. I'm going to change the sequence settings, and here you go. Here's the woman moving around. So to get rid of that, go down to here, expand this a little, and you see this little paper folding icon, click on new, or click it, and then click on adjustment layer. Keep this the same and then click OK. Click and drag over to where you want to remove the green screen on. So say I want it to be removed here. Yes, I just did it with a touchpad. I don't know how. So here's an adjustment layer. Now you want to search, you want to go to the effects window and then search up Ultra Key. This will keying, and under the keyings, it will be here. Click and drag into the adjustment layer. And then you see in the effects control window, you want to find in the adjustment layer the Ultra Key. You want to click this little key color, click it, and then you want to click the background of the green screen. There you go. Now the green screen is removed. Now there's a little bit of touch up you can do. You can go over to the matte generation or something, or do some matte cooling up. You can do some choke to get rid of the green background. Then you can do a little bit of softening, contrast. There, the midpoint seem to be getting rid of the green on the hair. There, that's how you do that. There you go. Now you can see here that's not removed, but where the adjustment layer is, it is removed. So if I just play back, you can see where it is removed. So you can play around with this and see what your liking is on the choke and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace out.